Welcome to Becoming a Cook. I'm Charlie Wetzel. Today I'm not going to cook anything because I want to talk to you about what we're getting ready to do with this kitchen. So we've lived in this house for 10 years and the house was 20 years old when we got it. The kitchen is original to the house and the space is really pretty good. But the cabinets are really broken down. The laminate countertop has cuts and stains, and we've wanted to do something with this kitchen for 10 years. Well, now we're finally going to do it, not just because we want to get the kitchen done, but also because we want to spruce it up for the videos that I'm doing for Becoming a Cook. So we're going to walk you through the process. We're going to film things as they tear them out and put them in. We've been working on selecting some of our stuff. We haven't really figured that out yet. I'm still trying to figure out my countertops, and then, that means then you've got to do the stain, and, well, anyway, it's a whole process. But we're going to go ahead and document the whole thing and hope that it's fun.